Guys, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about some clearance that's taking place or will be taking place in the next couple of days over at Walgreens, and there's some fire deals to be had and found. Before we dive into the specifics, if you could please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a big old thumbs up. Really helps out with the old YouTube algorithm. Okay, so first thing, guys, I've noticed here a lot of the back to school supplies are tagged at 70% off, and that is right now. The rumor on the street is that the Fun in the Sun products, and I will show you a couple examples of that, will be hitting 90% off on September the 10th, which is Thursday. The best way to check on Thursday morning if things are ringing up 90% off is to bring a specific product to the cashier, get the cashier to scan it, and if it's ringing 90%, rock and roll. Failing that, every market is a little bit different, but you might have to wait or try a different store. I know some stores, especially if you live in a really big city, they don't even participate in clearance. But throwing it out there for the majority of us, Thursday the 10th is the date. Now, the first batch of photos is food that I found yesterday near the school supply section that's 70% off, including these Trident Vibes for $1.12. I know there's an IVC coupon. I bought the peach one, and for whatever reason, the IVC did not attach to it. I did not freak out and jump around and say, I need my dollar off. I just left it as is because $1.12 for these is like a really great price point. Also, these 80 packs of the Halls Relief. So it is the most generic flavor of them, just like a menthol flavor, for $1.44. I think these guys are usually it's probably upwards of $4 or $5 for a bag this size, so I bought all of them. And then a whole bunch of candy. I did not buy any of the candy or cookies because I'm trying not to have any of this stuff in the house. These guys are 74 cents on clearance. I know that a lot of you are probably going to say in the comments like, oh, there's an IBOTTA rebate. If you look in the fine print, it's at Walmart only. It's not at Walgreens, because I did check yesterday because I was like, oh, maybe I could justify this if there's a little bit of IBOTTA money, but that's not the case. So there it is. And then the Swedish fish as well for the same price point. Like, wouldn't that be nice? Because there's $1 back when you buy 2 on Ibotta, but that is a Walmart only exclusive, so that's not happening. So these must have been summer flavors, and that's why they're part of clearance. And I know a lot of you are just going to kill it on Thursday with both the school supplies and the Fun in the Sun stuff. These Black Forest gummies for $1.37. There's 28 pouches for that. So for morning lunches, that would be a really great purchase. And like, how cheap is that? Like, they're practically giving it away. And the Nature Valleys bars, again, I didn't buy any of this, so I can't really match up coupons because I didn't even try. They're 94 cents. These are typically between $3 or $4. So, if you really want some bars, this is a really great price point. And then also, they have this fiber one. It was 99 cents, I believe, and it's this dark chocolate. And it was pretty hard not to buy everything because I could have used like 20 bucks in points and had all this food. But if you don't want a temptation in the house, sometimes it's a good thing not to buy it. But if you have a bunch of teenagers, or if this is your favorite thing, by all means, it's time to stock up because these prices are really low. They had the Captain Crunch and then the peanut butter Captain Crunch for $1.07. I know there have been dollar peelies floating around at both Walmart and Meijer grocery stores. So with that, it would be 7 cents. And there's also a Saving Star rebate that when you buy 2 General Mills cereal, I think this is a General Mills product, you get back $1. So, there's savings every different way you slice it or dice it. And then these massive bags of like Reese's nummies, 99 cents each, and I left them all at the store. And even though my husband likes Reese's, he's like, I need to stop eating all the sugar. So, and I kind of feel the same way too. And then the Hershey's alternative of that. So I think these bags are usually like $2.99, $3.99, and they were the massive bags. So obviously like a Fun in the Sun sort of like treat, and these prices are ridiculous. We have the Vienna fingers for $1.07. Lots of the cookies were priced at this price point, and literally, guys, I went, snapped all my photos, and then a lady and man walked by and then grabbed all of it because I think they saw what I was doing and they were like, yeah, we need all these cookies. $1.37 for a family size of the Oreo cookies. Like, there's a rebate somewhere for that too. Maybe, I think there's one on Checo 51 for this buy 2, get back $1. So you don't even need a coupon. And then for the traditional Oreo with the chocolate for $1.37. And my husband, this is a dangerous thing to bring in the house because he can polish all of those off in one sitting. So nope. Okay, so now we're going to talk about something called Fun in the Sun, and I'm just calling it Fun in the Sun, but it's all like this, the pool, floaties, goggles, stuff that's fun for the summertime. So this was $19.99, and now it's down to $1.99, and that would be the 90% off. Again, look for stickers, maybe bring one of these items up to the front, get the cashier to scan it, and just take it from there. And if the prices are a little bit different in your market, don't get upset or make a scene. It is what it is. This little to put your drink on, I don't know, and 79 cents down from $7.99. It's like a little coaster. That's what the word is. Woo, it's early in the morning. These little pouches, they look like it would make a really nice like makeup bag. So $6.99, that would be 69 cents. So I think you guys can really grasp the deep savings of this event. And typically, how it works around here is that Thursday morning, this stuff gets cleared really, really quickly because people just, clear it out quickly. So $12.99 down to $1.29. So even if you used register rewards or if you had points on your store card, you can amass a lot of this stuff to have fun in the sun, and it would be really inexpensive. This cooling towel, like 89 cents. And I have a brother that works in construction, and he would be so happy with that. So good luck with this, guys. Just some significant savings to be found on Thursday morning. Okay, so lots of school supplies were 70% off, and then some of it was 50% off. So I don't know what was going on, but lots of these zebra pens 70 off at $2.69. These little folders down at 59 cents. Obviously, I would wait for like a better sale than 70 because it's still kind of a little bit out of pocket. These cute little mechanical pens at $1.69. So like whatever you're looking for, they have like a cross section of like Fun in the Sun, back to school food. I mean, it's really going to be where it's at later this week. And then these little cute backpacks for $2.39. So for 79 cents each, that's a donation item for Toys for Tots that I'm probably going to grab. And this is also super cute. It's like a water bottle or thermos, I'm not sure, but $7.99 down to $2.39 for 79 cents. That's a really cute buy. Now this was my little basket from yesterday. I grabbed the Halls and the gum. No food, no bad food. So I did not want to, have a bunch of that and then pig out, one night. So I did one deal and then bought some clearance. So the first deal that I did was I grabbed 2 of the Domino's gift cards, and I got the cashier to put $15 on each, and then 1 Walgreens gift card for $10. And this is a weekly promotion that when you buy 2 Domino's, you get a free $10 Walgreens gift card. So the total for this is $40, but when the cashier presses the final pay button, it drops down to $30. So basically it shakes it out, 30 for 3 or $10 per gift card, which is some significant savings here. And those Domino's gift cards make a really nice little gift. Now, for the clearance stuff that I got that include 4 bags of Halls and then 4 Tridents, that was a total of $10.27. I used 10,000 points, so it was 27 cents for my little haul, like that I showed you, of just the clearance stuff. Now the Trident IVC for the peach flavor, I could not get it to scan with that product, so I was kind of out of luck. Maybe if you grab a different flavor, it might be a different story for you. But I just didn't have a lot of luck, but it would shake them out to 60 cents each, which is a really great price point. So again, guys, I mean, it's just fantastic. If you want to go today and scout it out, or even Thursday morning, that's the time. Anytime afternoon, depending how busy your store is, things might be cleared or gone. And then some stores I know in bigger cities, they just pack everything up and send it to like a Goodwill or one of those, or even back to a warehouse. So that might also be, you might want to go today and just like snoop around and see what they have and what the stickers are at. And if you're seeing 50, you might be in business for bigger clearance. Okay, so now we're going to talk about Rite Aid. And Rite Aid on Sunday hit 90% off for their gardening, Fun in the Sun, that sort of stuff. And I'm going to show you an example of what a 90% off is. Now, I just went yesterday, and I'm not much of a gardener, and I don't really care for fun in the sun stuff, so I didn't really buy anything to show you guys. So just a couple of photos, but a lot of these gardening little pots and stuff, like, you know, cutesy little things. The one thing they did have was a cool water cooler, and I think it was like 87 cents. It was like $8.79, but I already have one of those, so I'm like, I don't need it. But like lots of like pool floaties and like for the feet, if you're at the beach, just a lot of stuff. And I think a lot of people didn't go to the beach this summer. That's why a lot of the stores had like a surplus of this, like a ton of it. And also barbecue stuff is also part of the 90% off, along with lawn furniture like chairs and that sort of thing. So this is a little ice cream pot maker. So it's $1.99 if you look at the top right hand corner, but the clearance sticker is 19 cents. So crystal clear, clear as mud. If you have a Rite Aid, this might be something to go and look for. And yes, you can use bonus cash for clearance purchases. You can use bonus cash for anything. So, I mean, just really great finds for these summer things. So the first deal that we're going to talk about that I did was on the Belvita. This is like a breakfast cracker, and it's also like a cookie. Special shout out to Ravi on Instagram and here on YouTube. If you would like to find his channel, go to the front of my YouTube page, and he's like awesome couponers. He's at the top of that list. So these guys are 2 for $6. And when you buy them in that increment, you get $2 for the weekly bonus cash offer and then $1 for the monthly. So looking at this, and I did not use coupons for this guy, $6, and I just used bonus cash to pay that down. I got back $3 in bonus cash, 2 for the weekly, 1 for the monthly. Plus Checkout 51 has a $1 rebate when you buy 2 of these. And then I had a 75-cent rebate on Saving Star. And I also have a bonus cash challenge for this product that if I buy like, I think $9, I get back like $4 or something like that. So it's going to shake out to free. Special shout out and thank you to Ravi again for this awesome deal. I mean, who doesn't like some free breakfast crackers? The next little deal that we have is with the Oral-B. So this could be the mouthwash, the paste, or the brushes. I went with the brushes because, I don't know, I just wanted some toothbrushes, and this is one item that we go through, and it's very easy to store because they're so tiny. So they are $4 a pop. Now there are digital coupons that you can use with this, or from the September P&G, whichever one you might have. But if you're using digital, you'll have to grab like one toothbrush, one toothbrush, one mouthwash, or paste is your choice. But if you have the coupons from the September P&G, you're going to need 2 of these. So grabbing one of the brushes for $4, subtracting that $1 from the September P&G, you're paying $3 out of pocket, getting back $3 of bonus cash, making it free. And this was also part of the bonus cash challenge, the Oral-B dental care. So I'm going to get some more money for that as well. And it's just fantastic. So I'm loving these little cheap freebies over at Rite Aid. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.